Occupational therapy is something that I love and enjoy. I thought I was going to go into a different profession, but after learning about occupational therapy and becoming an occupational therapy assistant, I decided that's what I wanted to do career-wise. Muskingum was one of the programs in Ohio, and I knew I wanted to stay close while still working, and this program allowed me to work and go to school at the same time. It's really important to me to come back to the area that raised me. Like I said, I'm from around here, so continuing my education here really solidified the reason why I chose this MOT program.
This semester we started actually doing some clinicals, so it was really fun to be able to go out and kind of begin to use my OT skills, and we were working with some disadvantaged youth, and so we got paired up with individuals and got to kind of practice being an OT.
I really love the hybrid program because it makes doing school and work easy. I wouldn't have been able to do a continuing education program if it wouldn't have offered a hybrid.
I do work during the week, so it's helpful to still be able to work and support myself.
I was very nervous for the on-campus weekends because I am definitely a homebody, but the first weekend it was super nice to see everybody, and our cohort has really great relationships, and I feel like the weekends enhance our learning and just our communication and our relationships with each other, which really helps get through the program.
My cohort, I might be a little biased, but I think we're pretty cool. And everyone here, the MOT program really just facilitates a family environment, which I think fosters our learning so much further. So it's really, I could go on and on about this program.
The faculty here is very down to earth while still maintaining professionalism. And so while you get a sense of peer relationship, there is also a sense of I'm here to learn. This professor is a professional. They very much so know what they're doing, and they have my best interest in mind.
Our faculty, they also provide weekly office hours to make sure that we understand the material, so we definitely feel that we can ask questions and have that time even though we're not on campus all the time.
Honestly, it's all been a really good experience. I love being on campus on the weekends. It does kind of make things feel more real, and the professors really have been great.
It's really important to me to not only continue my education here, and through the COF scholarship I've been able to do that, but it's also important to me to be able to continue my career as a future occupational therapist in the area that raised me, so this wouldn't be possible at all without the Choose Ohio First scholarship.
The scholarship has been really wonderful. It's really nice to have, I guess, kind of like a safety net, or just knowing that you can focus more on your studies and making a difference and being impactful, and not have to worry about the financial aspect quite as much.
The scholarship is really just making it doable for me to do this program, and I would love to open up my own practice one day as an occupational therapist in my small community, so it'll help me give back to them.
When Dr. Lawler called me, it was super exciting, and it was kind of life-changing because I was paying slowly and saved up a lot of money to be able to afford the program. So this has given me a lot of financial stability, and I don't have to stress as much about the financial side and can just focus on my education.
Knowing that the Choose Ohio First scholarship has changed my life, I would also implore others to apply for it, and you can do that through Dr. Lawler here at Muskingum University. It has granted me opportunities and built interpersonal skills that I otherwise would not have.
If you are an OTA looking for this program, I would definitely recommend it. It is a great opportunity to continue to work as a CODA, to continue to learn in the field while furthering your education, and the Choose Ohio First scholarship is amazing and just kind of lessens that burden of financial stress.
If you are choosing to apply to the MOT program here at Muskingum, some things that you need to have in mind are you are going to be surrounded by professionals. You are always going to have good resources. My cohort specifically has been fantastic in terms of providing support to one another. You are going to get a fantastic education, and it has been a phenomenal experience all around.